In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to create an AI variation of a CTA step by step. If you're looking to quickly refresh your call to actions, test new messaging, or improve conversions without rewriting everything from scratch, this feature is going to save you a ton of time. Make sure to watch until the end so you don't miss any important details. And if this tutorial helps you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more simple, practical software guides just like this. All right, let's jump right in. The first thing you need to do is head over to your dashboard and navigate to the Marketing section. Once you're inside Marketing, click on CTA. This is where all of your existing call to actions are stored. You'll be able to see a list of the CTAs you've already created, whether they're being used in campaigns, pop-ups, landing pages, or other marketing assets. Now that you're inside the CTA section, the next step is to hover over the specific CTA that you want to generate a variation of. As you move your cursor over the CTA, you'll notice additional options appear. This hover action is important because it reveals the controls you need to modify or duplicate your existing CTA. Once you've identified the CTA you want to improve, click on the Actions button. A drop-down menu will appear with several options. From this menu, select Create an AI Variation. This is the feature that allows artificial intelligence to generate a new version of your existing call to action while keeping the core intent intact. After clicking Create an AI Variation, you'll be prompted to describe the changes you'd like to make. This is where you guide the AI. Be specific about what you want. For example, you might ask it to make the tone more urgent, more friendly, more professional, shorter, more benefit-driven, or tailored to a specific audience. The clearer your instructions, the better the result will be. Once you've entered your description, simply wait while the system generates the new variation. This usually only takes a few moments. During this time, the AI analyzes your original CTA and applies the changes based on your instructions. When the generation is complete, review the suggested variation carefully. Make sure the messaging aligns with your brand voice and campaign goals. Even though AI does a great job, it's always smart to double-check the wording before publishing. If you're happy with the variation, go ahead and click Continue to Editor. This will open the new AI-generated version inside the editor, where you can make any final tweaks or refinements. You can adjust formatting, personalize certain words, or even combine elements from the original and the AI variation if needed. And that's it. That's how you create an AI variation of a CTA. It's a quick and powerful way to test new messaging, improve engagement, and optimize conversions without starting from scratch every single time. Using AI variations is especially helpful for A/B testing. Instead of manually brainstorming multiple versions, you can generate several AI-driven alternatives and see which one performs best with your audience. Over time, this can significantly improve your marketing results. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more easy-to-follow software walkthroughs. I post new guides regularly to help you work smarter and get better results with your tools. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.